So there are a couple of different ways to say words like I, you, and we. Those are called pronouns. For example, I can be said in Samoan, o or oa'u. It just depends on the way you phrase your sentence. If you want to say, I was sick in Samoan, you could either say sa'o ma'i or sa ma'i oa'u. Both mean I was sick. Sa indicates the past, o is I, and ma'i is sick. I was sick, or sa ma'i oa'u. Sa indicates the past, ma'i means sick, and a'u is I or me. Here are two other examples. Olea o siva, I will dance. Olea is a future tense marker that changes the entire sentence by changing dance to will dance. O is I, and siva is dance. Again, the olea tense marker changes the entire sentence from I dance to I will dance in the future. Check out the tense marker videos for more explanation. Olea siva oa'u, I will dance. In this version of I, we say the pronoun I, or a'u, after the action word siva to emphasize I. I am the one about to dance. Again, when you want to emphasize the person doing the action, use the version of the pronoun that goes after the action word, a'u. Now that you recognize that there is a difference, it's time to learn the vocabulary. In the middle column are the singular pronouns that you use before the action word or main idea. The sentence structure for these types of pronouns goes tense marker, pronoun, then the action or main idea. For example, sa'o ma'i, sa'e ma'i, sa'ia ma'i. Here are some more examples. Sa'o kakalo, sa'o kakalo. Olo'u o ka'alo, olo'u o ka'alo. U'e kamo'e, u'e kamo'e. Sa'e alu, sa'e alu. E ifia moi, e ifia moi. Na ia sola ese, na ia sola ese. In the last column are the singular pronouns that you use after the action word or main idea. Here are some examples. Sa kakalo oa'u, sa kakalo oa'u. Olo'u ka'alo oa'u, olo'u ka'alo oa'u. Ua kamo'e oe, ua kamo'e oe. Sa alu oe, sa alu oe. E fia moi o ia, e fia moi o ia. Na sola ese o ia, na sola ese o ia. You also use these pronouns when you're emphasizing the person, place, or thing in a standalone phrase. For example, if someone asks, oailea, your reply would be, oa'u. The noun is the focal point of that reply, so emphasizing oa'u is appropriate, but we'll save that for another video.